I just used Claude and Lovable to vibe code the entire existing flow of Get Your Guide application and made it completely responsive and fixed a drop-off issue as well using just vibe coding. So here's the complete code for it, the design system, and then we go to the product that I designed and published. So here we land on the splash screen, and then there's the onboarding three screens. Uh, you can see it's completely responsive. Then we go ahead, and then we land on the login screen or the sign in screen. We can enter the phone number and then get the OTP. And then we land on the home page, which is again completely responsive, as you can see. And this is entirely done using Claude LLM and the Lovable's AI. So for example, if we need to do a booking, we can go to select the location. For example, we select Rome here, and then we have to select the destination. So Colosseum is what I select here. And then we can see that there is all the details available about the location, the destination, what the experience will be like, what's included and what's not. Again, completely responsive. And so we can, for example, add it to the wish list here. We can see it's added to the wish list. At the bottom, for example, if we have to book this, I click on book now. I go to check availability. We have the calendar option here to select the dates. For example, I select 28th. It's likely to sell out. It's showing me the time that we need to select. And there's a 74 euro charges for this. So we click on continue, but here we land on the UX problem that is detected for the screen. So it's basically bleeding revenue, as there is no explanation for why date of birth is required, why there is a 200 pixel of empty white space, there is no order summary, no progress indicator, and basically the trust signals are missing before the 74 euro payment. And the estimated drop off of this screen at the screen is 40%. So how we can fix this is basically by clicking the fix, and here we see that four improvements have been applied. So the date of birth and the name has been pre-filled from the profile itself. We see that there is a free cancellation option available until 9 a.m. and that's also clearly visible to the user who is going for this booking. So now we can confidently click on continue. We see there is a timer going on and there is also the progress indicator at the top. So we go to the payment now. There are options of PayPal, Apple Pay, card. So we click on the card and then we click on pay. And it's all set. We can see that the booking status is received. The provider has confirmed it. The guide has been assigned. And we can see the name of the guide and everything. And at the bottom, we also have this download voucher. So we can download this bill as a PDF. And this is what the bill has been generated for us. And it's been downloaded as well over here to printing. We can download it again. We can see that it's available on the card. We can check the profile. The profile is showing us that the booking is conducted. And here at the bottom, we also have this chatbot. So we can use this AI chatbot to uh, basically access the important details of this booking. So we can, for example, if I ask it, what should I bring? It tells me that to bring the voucher and government issued photo ID is enough, comfortable shoes, etc. Where do I meet my guide? Tells me that Marco will be available at the entrance of the Colosseum near the Arch of Constantine. Can I cancel this booking? Yeah, and the is food included in it. So it's saying food items are not included in the store, and for example, all the details available here. So if I say, can I change my booking date? Says yes. We go to the booking date and we can basically do it from over here. So this was pretty much it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and you can follow me on my LinkedIn page.